Daimler is the inventor of the automobile and has been a driving force behind the development of road traffic for almost 125 years. From personal mobility by car to goods transport using commercial vehicles. Our goal is to safeguard sustainable mobility for the long term, as described in our roadmap to emission-free mobility. The key to this is the electrification of drive systems. This not only starts with the drive unit itself, but also with the engine's ancillary units, which also require energy. Examples include electrically controlled steering servo and water pumps, which are only switched on when needed. Together with other measures such as lightweight construction and optimized aerodynamics, intelligent energy management form parts of the Blue Efficiency Package, which Daimler is already offering in more than 60 Mercedes models. Tailor-made to suit the relevant vehicle, this lowers fuel consumption and emissions by up to 12%. To optimize vehicles with internal combustion engines, we have also developed the start-stop function, which is already available for the A and B class, the Smart MHD, the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and from autumn 2009, also for the E-Class. This system automatically switches the internal combustion engine off when it is not needed, for example, when stopping at traffic lights. As a second stage, we achieve even more efficiency with hybrid concepts. In hybrid vehicles, the internal combustion engine is supported by an electric motor, which saves up to 20% of fuel. To this end, Daimler has developed a modular system which can be expanded in terms of output and range of applications, right up to purely electric drive, where the operating range in electric mode depends on the battery capacity. This modular system makes dedicated tailor-made hybrid drive systems possible for widely varied requirements, both for passenger cars and commercial vehicles. The third major focus of the Daimler Drive System strategy is locally emission-free driving with battery and fuel cell-powered vehicles. Here, too, we have developed a highly efficient modular concept. The eDrive system contains standardized components and various output classes, which can be combined depending on the vehicle and operating profile. Daimler has long demonstrated the future potential of the electric car. Examples include the Smart 4.2 electric drive, which has been in successful operation as part of a major project in London since 2007. The 41 horsepower electric power unit delivers a convincing performance, economical, quiet, and locally emission-free. With a consumption of only 12 kilowatt-hours per 100 kilometers, this two-seater can cover around 120 kilometers on a single charge. This is more than 3 times the distance the average European driver covers by car each day. Once the battery is empty, it can be recharged from any conventional domestic main socket within a short time. The battery is the centerpiece for any form of electrification and also presents the greatest technical challenge. Its efficiency and cost-effectiveness decides the success or failure of any electric drive system. This is why the new lithium-ion battery represents a milestone on the way to emission-free mobility. Compared to other current batteries, it allows more than 3 times the range for half the weight. Daimler is making this innovative technology fit for the future. Thanks to its targeted commitment, Daimler is the world's only automobile manufacturer in a position to develop, produce, and market lithium-ion batteries specifically designed for use in cars itself. Electromobility is a major aspect of the German government's action plan for energy and the environment. Daimler is not only contributing its acknowledged know-how, but also actively helping to shape the future with specific project work. An example, with e-Mobility Berlin, Daimler and RWE have called the world's largest joint project for locally emission-free electric cars into being. Daimler is providing more than 100 electric cars by Mercedes-Benz and Smart, while RWE is responsible for the development, construction, and operation of the recharging infrastructure, with around 500 charging stations. In view of its importance for the sustainable mobility of the future, this project is being supported by the federal German government. And this is only a start. As part of e-mobility Italy, more than 100 electric cars by Smart and Mercedes-Benz will be on the roads in Rome, Milan, and Pisa in 2010. In parallel with this, Daimler has commenced a major joint project with the city of Hamburg and well-known energy providers covering the use of passenger cars and buses with fuel cell technology. All these projects are based on a comprehensive approach, ranging from trials of the drive technology right up to the development of a customer-friendly infrastructure. Daimler is making its concept for environmentally compatible electromobility tangible with the Mercedes-Benz Concept Blue Zero, which is almost ready for series production. Its modular design allows no less than 3 different drive systems based on a single vehicle architecture. Daimler is following a clearly defined course on the road to emission-free mobility and is clearly ahead of the field. As witness its realistic and uncompromising strategy for the electrification of the automobile. We invented the automobile and are passionate about its future.